AI isn't just about smarter phones. It's quietly transforming the job market right now, automating roles faster than we realize. Today, let's look at 5 jobs AI could replace by 2025. So seamlessly, most people won't even notice. First up, data entry clerks. For decades, this job meant manually typing information into databases, a repetitive, error-prone task. Now, AI systems can read, understand, and process documents with incredible accuracy, handling messy handwriting in multiple languages. These tools work non-stop, process thousands of documents in minutes, and rarely make mistakes. Companies are quietly shifting to AI for data entry, starting with specific tasks and expanding as the tech proves itself. Instead of mass layoffs, new hires slow down, and existing staff move to roles like data validation or analysis. By 2025, hiring someone just to type data will seem as outdated as hiring a switchboard operator. The work still gets done, but now it's all in the background, handled by algorithms. The transition is nearly invisible, but the result is clear: a human job replaced by code. The data entry role isn't loudly eliminated, it just quietly fades away, and most people won't even notice it's gone. Next, customer support representatives. We've all dreaded clunky automated systems, but today's AI chatbots are different. Powered by advanced language models, they understand nuance, access customer histories, and solve problems instantly, 24/7. Most routine questions, password resets, order tracking, refunds, are now handled by AI, with only complex issues sent to humans. Human agents become specialists, focusing on unique or sensitive cases, while AI handles the bulk. Companies frame this as enhanced service, but behind the scenes, entry-level support jobs quietly disappear. Massive call centers shrink, replaced by servers running AI. For customers, the experience often improves. By 2025, your first point of contact for support will almost always be an AI. The change is subtle, but the impact on jobs is huge. The help desk as we know it is being quietly automated away. Number 3. Proofreaders. AI writing assistants like Grammarly and Google Docs now catch grammar, style, and even tone errors instantly. These tools analyze text for clarity, consistency, and plagiarism, far faster and more accurately than most humans. For everyday business writing, blog posts, and marketing copy, AI is more than enough. Writers and editors now use these tools as a safety net, making the dedicated proofreader role rare. High-stakes documents may still need a human touch, but for most digital content, AI quietly takes over. The job isn't eliminated overnight. It's absorbed into the writing process. The need for a full-time proofreader fades as software does the heavy lifting. For most organizations, AI is now the default editor. Fourth, market research analysts. Traditionally, they gathered data, spotted trends, and built reports, a time-consuming process. AI now scrapes the internet, analyzes millions of data points, and generates real-time insights and visualizations in seconds. Entry-level tasks like data collection and basic analysis are automated away. Human analysts shift to interpreting AI findings and making strategic decisions. Fewer people are needed for number crunching. Small teams do what once took entire departments. The entry-level analyst role quietly disappears as AI takes over the groundwork. The job evolves, but the bulk of the work is now handled by algorithms. The replacement is silent, but the transformation is massive. Finally, basic graphic designers. While high-level design remains human, most daily design work, social posts, banners, simple logos, is now automated. AI tools like Canva and Adobe Express generate professional graphics from a simple prompt in seconds. These platforms understand design principles and create unique, on-brand visuals instantly. Small businesses and marketers no longer need to hire freelancers for basic graphics. They do it themselves with AI. Entry-level design jobs, especially template-based work, are quietly replaced by software. Skilled designers are still needed for complex projects, but the bread-and-butter work is automated. The demand for basic design shrinks as AI meets most needs. The shift is subtle, but the impact on junior designers is real. So, from data entry to design, AI is quietly reshaping the job market, efficiently, invisibly, and fast. The key isn't to fear AI, but to focus on skills it can't replace: creativity, strategy, and human connection. Understanding this shift is the first step to thriving in an AI-powered world. What jobs do you see changing? Is this timeline too fast or too slow? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe for more insights. This conversation is just beginning. Thanks for watching.